Hey guys, it's Megan, and today I am just doing a random video. It's gonna be the AJ birthday party video kind of thing. So yeah, pretty exciting. And I got a whole new outfit yesterday, and it's super cute. So, yeah, and I also got a monkey, but I made a video on that. So yeah, they're really adorable. Do they not have the pet only party anymore? Oh no, that's right there. Pleasure pet. It's like there wasn't one yesterday, I swear. Okay, so let's go. I love this party. It's so cool. So first of all, you can so if you go up here, there's a store right here, and you can buy some Bronzios fountains, but they're like $1,000. And then there's all these statues that they're like 400 for a lot of them. So yeah, that is the store at the AJ birthday party. And then you can go around here, and there's I think I did this one time. I click on some ice cream, and I got it, and they gave it to me. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. You click right there. I don't know. I clicked somewhere over there. But as you can see, I have ice cream. Oh, and we forgot to go to the top. The top is like my favorite part. Okay, I'll go in that room. So up here is my favorite part. It's the floor at the top. Yeah. It's exciting. These are all the statues you can buy right here, so you could see them all. And there's quite a few of them. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my birthday cake. That looks beautiful. Okay. Daddy, try coming where I am. So yeah, this is about it for this video, and yeah, so I will see you all some other time. Bye guys.